Drydock. So now we'll go inside the Drydock and see what is the update. It's in the morning, 6 o'clock. The weather is very good, so let's move on. You can see my ship. This is the VLCC. This is the gangway or the MOT you say. Look how many floors I have to go from here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors over here and around 5 or 4 floors in the dock. So let's fast forward it. We are going to see this propeller and then the keel, and then we go forward for the bow. Okay, look. Okay, now we reach the jetty now. You can see my ship on which I work. Now we are going to go more 4 floors down. Here are some connection. As you see, this one, this black one is the seawater connection, and this red one is the electric connection wire. The red one over there is for fresh water, and these two are electric and air supply. And the forward you see for fire safety. These are seawater lines. If anything goes wrong or fire on board, so for firefighting they are standby already. So here we go down. Now 4 floors more down. As you can see how this ship is laid down on this keel, on this block. These are concrete blocks. We now reach the Drydock. Oof, look at this. This is around 24-meter trough from the bottom. This is the thing that blocks the seawater from coming inside. The rudder and the propeller, they have worked quite well on this rudder. The starting, the finishing also. This is what it will look in the final position when it will be done. See how this ship is Stdb. This is how they do the sandblasting. See, this area is not done till now, and this one is the finished one. Smooth, fully smooth. Check it out. The one untidy, the one fully smooth. These are the sea growth that is been deposited on the keel, has been removed. Ooh. Look how massive it is. Maybe a kind of inlet wall, ballast. Even I don't know what it is. See the different shade. The part they have cleaned and the part that is not. As you can see, that ship metal should not be damaged. They have put a wooden block This is the power of wooden block. It's taking the whole load out. One lakh 60,000 gross tonnage. This is the sea growth. This much amount, more than 5 feet, and this goes on continue till the forward. This is the machine that they use, the safety helmet, and the beast. So we reach forward, and here is our anchor, this bulk, and the anchor chain. Oof, all 13 shackles on ground. And here we come at the bulbous bow. Oof. Really massive.